Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by preparing the minimal toolchain and a live project. Install the Edge Impulse CLI with npm and sign into your new project. This links your machine to Edge Impulse. Make sure the Arduino CLI or Platform I/O is installed because you will compile and flash firmware. Once done, connect the Esp32 over USB and confirm the serial port appears. This step is action-oriented. Authenticate, confirm the port, and be ready to flash the Edge Impulse firmware that enables data collection. Now generate and flash the Edge Impulse compatible firmware that includes the Arduino library for your sensor or camera. Use the Edge Impulse web builder to export an Arduino sketch or a pre-configured binary, then compile and flash with Arduino CLI or Platform I/O. Once the device runs the sketch, run Edge Impulse daemon or a serial forwarder on your PC to stream sensor data into the Edge Impulse Studio. Make sure to label and gather diverse samples. Consistent data improves model accuracy. Finally, train a model in Edge Impulse Studio using the collected data and validate with the held-out test set. Once satisfied, build a deployment package, an Arduino library or a binary, and flash it onto the ESP32 so inference runs on device. Make sure to enable real-time output for verification. If things go wrong, check serial logs first. Confirm the ESP32 has stable power, the correct board/partition settings, and matching Edge Impulse library versions. Reflash and rerun data forwarding if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.